Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. This is the first video I'm going to do sitting down, so bear with me. I hope it turns out okay. First off, here's the double ninja swipe from my last video. I think it turned out okay. I love the colors. So I think it turned out really nice. Okay, so let's get on with the next. Oops. I'm going to paint over this one. I'm not real happy with it. Don't like the brown and stuff, so we're going to go over this one. And I'm going to use the colors, basically what I did in my last ninja swipe. I have some left over. So they are Deco Art Caramel, the Mutant Shift Violet, Mutant Shift Turquoise, the Deco Art Smoked Pearl, and the Artist Loft, Lemon Yellow. So let's see, I had to thin them out because I'm going to be blowing them. And I'm going to put down white as my base coat. And it's just a house paint. I'm going to be doing like a starburst type thing, I hope, if it works out that way. So I'm going to put the white down. Get enough on there. Be tilting it on. Got a lot of bubbles because I had to shake it up. Last corner over here to get. Move along there. There we go. Got all my sides here. Yep. Oh, I forgot my towel to wipe my hands. Let me grab it real quick. There we go. My hands wiped off really good. I can grab my torch and get the air bubbles out. My legs still aren't holding me very well, so I have to sit down for this one. Okay, grab my torch. Lots of air bubbles. Okay. And of course, a dog hair, first thing. There we go. Let's see. There we go. And I think I will start with, don't really want a dark color in the middle. I'll start with a lemon yellow. Put a puddle of it down in the middle. This is a 12 by 16 canvas. There we go. And I'll just start by putting rings around there. That's a lot. Like I said, I thinned them all out with water so that my hairdryer will blow them easier. I hope. I've seen a lot of other artists do this. I hope mine turn out half as good as theirs. I think I'll do a ring of yellow also on the outside. Okay. Let's start with this and see how it goes. Handy dandy blow dryer here. And we got it on cool. Let's start on low and see if it works. Nope, we're gonna have it on high, and I'm afraid it's gonna blow everywhere. So here we go. Start this way. Well, I did get I was going to say I did it once without getting my blow dryer in it, but I did. I see a little spot where I got my blow dryer in it. Can't be perfect all the time. Wow, that turned out pretty nice. I did see a piece of dog hair I was blowing around. If I can find it, I'll get it out. But I don't see it now. Maybe I blew it out. That looks pretty darn good. I kind of like that. Wipe the bottoms off. Get this corner. Doesn't have any white on it. I really like that. I'd like the center a little bit more round, I think. But I like the cells that have come up. Wipe the edges off. A little bit on there. You always want to wipe your edges off so it doesn't take away from your design. Make sure your edges are all covered. I think that turned out really nice. I like the center, but it's kind of bland, I think. Got that little mark out of there. Let's see if we can, let's see, I have this, my little bamboo. See if we can put some color in the middle. I'm wiping it off on my bring them all into the middle here. See if they can all touch in the middle. And kind of make a little swirl in the middle. That looks kind of cool. And that way that the middle is not so bare. I kind of like that. Put a little purple on my stick. Swirl it around in the middle. Let them all go up to lead to that. There, I kind of like that. I hope everybody else likes that too. It looks kind of neat that way. A little different than everybody else's. My hands wiped off. And we'll give it another torch just to make sure that we got all the air bubbles out. Check my side about there. That looks pretty good. There's a close-up for you, starting there, the top, and there's the middle, and there's the bottom half. All right. I hope you all enjoyed that video today. There'll be a button that'll have my flag logo at the end. Just click that if you want to subscribe. Leave me a comment. I sure appreciate it. And share my video with anyone that you think would enjoy it. I appreciate all my subscribers and would love to have more. And thank you for watching. And as always, please have a great day.